Toby! Toby! I got me a regular Ben-Hur down here. Doing 95 minimum.
Need any help, J.W.?
Hell no! You got a set of wheels you just won't quit, boy. If there's yours, that is, huh? You spin around, boy. 10 fingers on the fender. Legs apart. I'm sure this ain't exactly your debut with this sort of thing. You picked the wrong parish to haul ass through, boy. Nobody cuts and runs on Sheriff J.W. Pepper. And it's him speaking, by the by. You tell Miss Pearson take a flyer.
That looked like a boat. Stuck in the sheriff's car there, Eddie?
Boy, where you been all your life? That there's one of them new car boats.
By the powers invested in me by this parish, I hereby do commandeer this vehicle and all those persons within. And that means you, smart ass.